How to create a PayPal account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PayPal in your web browser. Then click on Sign Up at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Sign Up at the top right corner of your screen, it will open up this page. Here, simply add your email and press on Next. After you've added your email and pressed on Next, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your phone number and press on Next. Then, confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. Simply add the code, and after you add the code, you'll find options to add your name, address, and likewise your recovery email. And after you press on create account in there, and after that, your account will be created. This is how to create a PayPal account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.